Hey, how are you guys? Okay, if you new here, just subscribe this channel. After doing this, expect a call from someone you love and you missed it. Even if he said he won't call you. Even if he blocked you, he will unblock and he will call you. You understand? And after calling, you will start conversation, and the meaning is this spell is going to bring back your ex, even if he hates you as a lion. Okay? So only few items here. I have this white paper here. Okay? Always supposed to have this white paper here. Okay? Then because it is too long, I'm going to cut it. Then you're going to write the name of the targeted person, and you're gonna write his full name. Okay? Then after names here, I'm going to write any wishes I want. Okay? If I need this targeted person to call me here, I'm going to write I need you to call me. Okay? Now, by force, I need your heart to remember me. I need you to be mine forever. Okay? You're gonna write the wishes down here. And when you're done, you're going to have a plate. This is a plate. Then you're going to make a hole because you need a candle to stand. Okay? Okay, then I'm going to take these 7 candles here. This spell you must have 7 candles. Okay? 7 candles. So I'm going to take 1 candle here. I'm going to make just a small piece because I want to put it in between here of this paper. Okay? Like so. So, okay. So you're going to stand it at the center here. Then you're going to write up. But when you write up, just chant, just say your wishes, any wishes, because you write up your life, you write up your relationship, you write up your happiness, you write up your relaxation, you write up everything's joyness. Do you understand? So you write up here. So just pray and just say your wishes, then write up. Okay? When you're done, I have my mixing love spell herbs here. This is a special one I'm using to do it. It is mixed with different trees, okay? But you can take cinnamon, okay? You can take clove, you can take garlic powder, then you can mix together, then you can do it. Also, it is working magically, okay? So yeah, I'm going to put the herbs here in all names, okay? All names here. I'm going to put the herbs, okay? This is gunpowder, okay? This is gunpowder. So I'm going to put the gunpowder here, okay? I'm going to put it. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to put it right here, okay? Okay. Then I'm going to put it right here. Yes. Okay, you see, now it is done here. Okay? 7 candles. This is 6 candles and 1 candles. And the names of the targeted person is down there. And the herbs and the gunpowder. You understand? The last one here, you are going to take this coconut here. Only 3 coconut, a fresh one. If you won't get it, never mind. Okay? Because it's gonna work too, yes. But if you have it, yeah, it means that you're very sure that it's gonna work 100%. Okay? This is working, guys. It's very working. You're gonna put 1 right side and 1 left side and 1 out top here. Okay? You understand? So, what is next here? Just leave it till all the candles will be burned and all the herbs and the pepper will be totally burned itself, okay? Or just finish it. After finish it, another thing, when it is finished, I will show you after finish it. After finished, I will show you how you're going to do with this coconut, okay? Okay guys, okay, when you done, everything is burned over, you are going to take our 3 coconut, and what you're going to do is you are going to break it. So you're gonna find the stone, a strong one like this one, so you won't damage your your decoration down here. So I'm going to use to break it. So I'm going to throw it until this coconut is all broken. Okay, I'm going to throw it. So okay, so another one coconut you are going to chant as you break this coconut, you are going to break any bad words between you and a targeted person. If him, if her, yeah, is okay. And a second coconut, you are going to chant about his heart. If he is hating you, you did anything wrong, you need to break it as this coconut. And a third one, you are going to break his mind and his feet to come to you, to look to you, to find to you, to stay to you, to focus on you. Yes. Okay, so let me break it. Okay, I'm going to break it now. You see, this thing is already broken here, you see. So now you're going to break this second one and the third one, and now the spell is done. Bye bye guys, subscribe this channel, just comment. If you need anything, my number is there, okay? Just take it, WhatsApp me. Bye.